Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.